Hello everybody, this is Jason with First Choice Cleaning. Been pretty busy. We have not been putting out videos lately. We've been really slammed with everybody getting ready for Thanksgiving, getting cleanings done prior to having family over and having the nice Thanksgiving dinner. So anyways, just want to make a quick video here. We're at a house, empty house, just to move out. There is some slime here. Some of the kids' slime that we're going to be attempting to get out. It's a pretty decent size. You can tell compared to my hand, the size of it. So what I'm going to do is just want to let you see what it looked like before, and then as we're going through with the cleaning, I'm going to get some more video, see how it's getting removed out. Hopefully, we can get at least 90% of it out, so it's barely noticeable. That's my goal. Can't guarantee what's going to happen, but we're going to make every attempt we can. Thank you. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I sprayed it out, and what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to scrape off as much of it as I can. I can tell this is a glue-based slime just by the way it's just clumping up and working its way through. So I scraped off quite a bit. I think I'm already at that 90% goal. But now I'm going to try to rinse this out so you guys can see how it's coming along. And we'll continue to progress on getting it removed. So you're going to rinse over it, good high heat, let some of that kind of melt itself out. As you can see, there is a big difference on it already. Right now I'm just trying to introduce some heat to it, get some water on it, let it start trying to dissolve itself up a little bit. I'm going to come in here, scrape it a little bit more. See how it's looking. I want to rinse it again. See what kind of progress we have after with another attempt of it. There's still a little bit of residue left. I'm going to try one more step on it. Let me see the spotted garden real quick. This out. Now it is Berber carpet, so even if we get it 100% out, it's probably going to look a little bit different just because we fluffed up the way the carpet is made and woven. But standing back from a distance, it's also going to look a little bit darker because it's wetter than the rest. But big difference. Once it dries, it won't even be noticeable. And you can see there, getting slime out, we can get stuff like that out too. Alright, thank you guys.